Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Hoover brand dryer and you're getting an E8 error and you're wondering what is this error and what can I do to get rid of it. First of all, the E8 error is the thermal fuse being faulty, or at least the machine detecting the thermal fuse as faulty. So it could be, for example, the wiring being loose or frayed that goes to or from the thermal fuse, or it could actually be the thermal fuse that's faulty. And like with all of these sensor issues, it could also be the control board that's misinterpreting something and throwing up a random error. So unfortunately, this is not one of the easier errors to fix for a homeowner. You're probably going to need to call out for service. You can always just try to do a hard restart on the machine. Sometimes it will clear out these errors, which is just turning your machine off and leaving it disconnected from power. So unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the breaker for a full minute before reconnecting power, turning it on, and see if it doesn't clear out this error before you spend the money and time and headache of calling a professional. But anyways, I hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.